When summer temperatures soar, Novak Heating, Air and Duct Cleaning is your trusted partner for reliable comfort. Since 1934, Novak has helped homeowners beat the heat with expert air conditioner tune-ups and maintenance. Scheduling your AC tune-up during warm weather is smart. Some important system tests, like checking refrigerant and full cooling mode, require outdoor temperatures of at least 65 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures technicians can accurately and safely evaluate your air conditioner's performance, preventing costly mistakes or damage. A professional tune-up from Novak can help you avoid unexpected breakdowns, lower your cooling bills, and extend your system's lifespan. Catching issues early means you stay cool and comfortable all summer. Novak's team checks everything from refrigerant levels to air filters, ensuring your air is fresh and your system runs efficiently. Novak's certified technicians clean coils, calibrate thermostats, and inspect every key component. Their worry-free maintenance plans keep your AC running smoothly and help you save money over time. Stay ahead of summer breakdowns. Call Novak Heating, Air and Duct Cleaning at 319-364-4626 to schedule your AC tune-up today.